I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking the yams. Spent the whole summer.
Vaccines to one critical moment. And vaccines are in charge. I was literally the last thing contributing to the economy in ways that foot mask. Here, maybe I could do something else. And like, I don't want it food every day. And then still scraping off the parts that aren't earned, eating that. And so it may sound funny, but that's chickpea for no. We got our chickpeas when they're dried out like that. They just have chickpeas for all of it.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas. Okay, there we go. That's way better. And I'm sweating. But anyway, oh my god, y'all, it's hot in here. What in the world? I've been looking for a sneaker that is like, I have Jordans. I have like 2 pairs of Jordans. Y'all, I do not have sneakers. I have 2 pairs of gym shoes. I have 2 pairs of Jordans. Well, I take it back. I have 5 pairs of sneakers. I have New Balance. I have 2 pairs of Air Max, and I have 2 pairs of Jordans. You cannot wear Jordans with everything. I don't even wear my Jordans. I have some, I think they're called Cherry 11s or something like that. I've only worn them once. And I have a pair of ones that I've only worn once. And my gym shoes are for the gym. I do have a pair of New Balance. I forgot what they're called, but I'll put a picture of them probably like right here. But yeah, they're not, I don't like the way they look. I mean, I do, obviously, that's why I have them. But they're just not a shoe that you can wear with like everything. Or it's not, they're not very versatile, you know? So yeah, so I got these. And also I was looking for like a skinny shoe. Like, I don't know if y'all remember, but like back a long time ago, I look like a vampire. But back a long time ago, people used to wear like those like skinny Coach shoes. Like Coach used to come out with a sneaker that looked like this. And it was like really girly and it had like a white toe that it was like a U. It's just a toe. But so yeah, I got some of these. I got these in brown too. I'll probably put a picture right here because I don't feel like getting up. But so yeah, we're about to go to my mom's house. It's so funny. Oh dang, I'm running out of space on this card. That's crazy. Why do I keep running out of, like, bro, it's been so many issues with this camera. Like, I couldn't post a vlog last week because I couldn't download the footage on my computer. And then when I got the footage on my computer, it was trash. The footage was trash. Like, it just didn't look good. I guess I just need to start being more mindful about like what I'm putting on YouTube. No, that's not. I haven't been mindful, but what I'm recording, I guess you could say. That was that, and then I just didn't have anything to record. Like I've been having like, you know how people have like writer's block? I'm having like creator's block where I'm like, I don't really know what to make, which is crazy because I have like 1,001 ideas on my phone, but it's like I'm still having creator block. Anyway, I have some stuff to do now, so I'll start pushing out content. Like I've been posting YouTube shorts and stuff, but I want to post a YouTube video. So this will be a YouTube video, and I only have 3 minutes on this card, which is insane. But yeah, and then yesterday when I was filming me wrapping the presents, well, I'll put the footage in there still, but I ran out of, like, my camera just overheated. I'm like, I guess I'm just not supposed to record at the moment. But y'all, my hair, like, I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to get dressed and stuff, and then I'm going to head out. I'm gonna get situated though. Y'all will get a vlog next week, I promise. All right, now we're back at the house. Oh, what all? Oh, that my mom's earlier. We did the whole Christmas thing or whatever. Y'all, I'm tired. Like, I'm actually tired. So, I'm so short. I went to my mom's. We did the Christmas stuff, spent time together, ate. We were watching Avatar, but then I just felt the urge to go to the gym, so I ended up leaving and chill. But I ended up leaving, came home. Y'all, we have a mess in here. We have a mess in here. Like, I got an air fryer. I picked up the camera. I was having some issues. So this is the air fryer I got. Earlier, the freaking, for somehow, some way, it said there was no memory on the card, but there was literally almost no footage on there. Long story short, I fixed it, but like, I kind of don't even want this camera anymore because this is a continuous issue and it's very irritating. I don't know, y'all. I'll figure it out, but it's just, I don't know. It's dusty. What? 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 I love it. Turn it off. Period. Look, it's saying that my camera's gonna die. Oh my god. I'm about to clean up this kitchen and I'm gonna let y'all charge and I'm gonna pick y'all back up and then we'll talk about our goals for 2026. Because my camera keep dying. Oh my god! Hey sister! What have you been doing, girl? Yeah. I just filmed some content for Instagram, probably TikTok too. Just something small because y'all, I have not been active. Well, it's loud, so I'm gonna just pick this up when I get to the car because it's loud.
We're gonna learn viens on se casse. Viens on se casse, frère. On se casse, which literally translates to we break ourselves, but the reason we say that is to dip. Leave from a party.
Yeah. So, like, let me catch up with you real quick before I head on over to my house. Don't I look cute? Okay, so basically what had happened was last time I had picked up the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna just break it down for y'all. So last week I took almost the whole week off of work. What did we do during that time? Yeah, so what day was that? I don't even remember. Let me go on my phone so I could like at least give y'all a timeline. So December 14th, what day was that? Okay, so that whole week I worked, obviously. So starting the 21st, well, really starting the 22nd, I took the 22nd and 23rd off. Let's see what I did during those days. Okay, so the 18th, I went to the Nutcracker. It was okay. Listen, it was alright. Growing up, I've always wanted to go. Like, my mom said that she would always take us, but those tickets are actually very expensive, and we were broke. So, now that I'm older, I can go. These are my complaints. You're sitting too close to people. Like, entirely too close to people. Like, this is a seat, and I would say this middle console is a seat. That's how close you're sitting to people. And then, I mean, I wouldn't say security is the issue because you're not really in a dangerous area, but there's really no security. There's no, like, you know, like, we're in weird times, so it's kind of like I would expect them to have certain security measures, but they didn't have any, really. So that was one thing. And then, that's all I can really complain about. Like, people were not dressed up, though. Like, you know, usually you would think you would dress up for something like that. There were a select few people that were dressed up. I was dressed up, but not, like, there's people literally in their pajamas. So that was that. Went to the Nutcracker, and then I didn't do anything on the 20th, and so that whole week, yo, I didn't do nothing. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I was off. I mean, I'm teaching myself how to do AI, like program and, like, you know, stuff like that. So I studied a little bit, and then I did pick up the camera, which is all the footage that you just saw. But y'all, I really have not been motivated to do YouTube. Like, Instagram, yeah, like Instagram, YouTube Shorts. I've been posting on YouTube Shorts. TikTok's not really my thing. It's really not. I don't know. I just can't get down with it. I mean, I have one video that went viral. A couple videos, like majority of my videos, really. But I just don't care enough. I really don't. So I'm pretty sure, like, once I start, like, getting a lot of content, a lot of the content that I post on Instagram and YouTube Shorts will also get on TikTok. So, but I just hit 50 subscribers on YouTube, but I got a lot of views. So I don't, y'all being weird. Y'all being weird. But so yesterday, woke up, bed rot. I didn't go to the gym yesterday. Yesterday was my rest day. I went to the gym today. But yeah, we got some food. I got my windshield wipers replaced. I washed my car. I vacuumed it. It's so clean. She's so clean, y'all. Like, look, like, she clean. Like, oh my god. Well, you can see the seats in the middle console, and it's all clean and beautiful. The back seat, I mean, it's typically clean anyway, except for that little spot right there. I can't get it off, but I mean, no one is usually back there, and those little dots right there are from my niece sitting there. And I accidentally took that rag from the, what's it called? But yeah, y'all, it's super clean in here. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. And then now it's Sunday, so of course it's family day. I'm about to go to my mom's house. But yeah, I thought I'd catch y'all up. I mean, and it's so crazy, y'all, because it's 4 for 4. It's 4 for 4. I don't know what that means, but it's 4 for 4. But y'all, I gotta get a oil change tomorrow and get this parking brake malfunction situated. So yeah.
But yeah, I don't know what it is. Like, my footage, the footage that I had was so doo-doo trash. Like, I don't know, y'all. Like, I might still post it just to be consistent, but, like, I'm not even being consistent because I just missed 2 Wednesdays in a row. Right? Right. That's not consistent at all. But anyway, I'm gonna let my car warm up. But, yeah, so, like, okay, so the Christmas vlog that I had, like, for the work party, doo-doo trash, and I was not gonna out my coworkers like that. Like, they were so drunk, y'all. Like, I was not posting it. Then the video after that, y'all, I was cleaning up, and I was just looking crazy. Like, I don't know, I can't post that on the internet either. Like, what is that? Oh. I just can't post that. So this vlog, this one will get posted. But, like,
I just have to be more mindful when I'm recording certain things of, like, what I'm wearing and, you know, ow, like what's in the frame, like nothing crazy. Like it wasn't no big old, you know, like it wasn't nothing crazy. It was just, I was looking at myself in the video and I'm like, put on some clothes. I'm gonna just say that, put on some clothes when you're recording. Like, I don't know, I guess I just got too comfortable. Yeah, I think I just got too comfortable. I guess, like, when I turn on the camera, it's like real raw, uncut, you know what I'm saying? So it's like when I'm recording, I'm not thinking about, oh, they're gonna perceive me, like if I don't put any clothes on and like I'm not thinking like that. So going forward, I need to be more mindful of stuff like that, cause yeah, girl, I don't know, girl, I don't know. Is it Saturday? Is it Sunday? Is it Sunday?
Like, at one point, you gotta understand, like, there's no way in life that you can take it out and you're a superstar. You're the #1 quarterback. That, bro, what the? You get all the way to the Super Bowl and don't get a ring? Your mom ever told you if you got in a fight at school and they hit you first, what you gonna do back? Yeah.
All right, let me stop looking at myself. Let me actually go in this house and spend time with my family. All right, y'all. I don't know what time I got here. Let me check like 360. I got here at 5:07. I was only here for 2 hours. So we're heading home. We're heading home. I have to go home and I have to be with my son. And I need to wash my face. And I need to... I already took a shower. But I need to close off this YouTube video and pee-pee. Because I got a pee-pee.